Battery in my FOB is dead, so I want to replace it. There's a little notch right there that a dime or let's see if a penny fits. Yep. Put it in there, twist it carefully. That opens up. And carefully take apart. Let's see, there we go. Then, to get the battery out, just using a small nail, put it right into this opening here. Just really carefully, just pop it out. And I need to pick up a new battery or see if I have any old ones laying around, and then I'll show you how to put it in. I had some of the correct replacement batteries for the FOB, but I don't know how long I've had them, so I'm going to see how they are for battery life. So I've turned on the multimeter to VDC-V. Readout is showing 346. I'm going to touch these two together and zero it out. There's 0. The battery, there's a plus on one side. Put the red lead on that. The black lead on the other side. 3.141. So it's a 3 volt battery. It should be good. So on here it says plus side up, so plus is right there. Just carefully put that in there and put the cover on. You have to squeeze it fairly tight, and there it goes. And then I'm going to put this ring back on, a small one, put it on my keychain, then it should be all set to go. But be sure and check out my other videos. Please subscribe, like, share, leave a comment below. Have a great day.